It's another beautiful day in the neighborhood, and looks like we may not be finished till Sunday or Monday. Originally we thought we'd be finished by Wednesday, but I guess there's a few farmers still going. I'm heading back to Pilar too. Hello, it's Henley's Happy Trails, and we are leaving work on the 14th day of the sugar beet harvest. What was the temperature today?
I believe it was, oh gosh, I don't even know. I know it was like in the 40s and 50s.
Okay, we'll go with 40s and 50s. It wasn't a cold day. It got warm.
Yeah, it did get warm. It went up to 62. And we did about 300, we did over 300 trucks.
Which is quite amazing because it was pretty slow at the end of the day, but...
yeah, the first 6 hours we had growers coming in completing their final 2%. And then we still have 2 farmers left that have several hundred acres to go.
So
that's what we've been waiting for, because they're just trickling in every, like a few each hour. So that's what's keeping us here at the station.
Yep, so it's keeping us working. So it looks like tomorrow we're going to get a time-and-a-half day in. We're going to get another Saturday, and we will 99 percentile get another Sunday. And we may be cleaning at the end of Sunday. We may be cleaning on Monday. We don't know. But it looks like we're getting a third weekend in, which is unusual, I'm told.
Tomorrow's a little iffy because the weather's talking about rain and possibly snow, but that weather forecast has changed quite a bit, like in other days that we worked.
Well, we'll see what we end up doing. Either way, we're playing it day by day at this point. And that's all I have.
That's it.
See you tomorrow.